Hey growers, welcome back to the Wormy Garden. Today we're diving into one of the most flexible and powerful gardening methods out there, container gardening. Whether you're short on space or just want more control over your soil and plants, this method opens up big possibilities. But it's not without its trade-offs. Let's walk through the real pros and cons from the perspective of a seasoned home gardener. Container gardening simply means growing plants in pots, tubs, or boxes instead of in the ground. It's a favorite of patio growers, balcony dwellers, and, let's be honest, control-loving gardeners like me. You can move plants wherever the light or weather demands. Sudden frost? No problem. Reposition, redesign, rethink. No kneeling, no digging, great for gardeners with mobility issues. One thing to keep in mind, pots can dry out really fast, sometimes even twice a day during the summer. So it's a good idea to set reminders or, better yet, install a drip system to keep everything hydrated. Some plants get root-bound. Use deep pots for tomatoes, peppers, and eggplant. Choose compact or dwarf varieties. Look for bush or patio types when selecting seeds or seedlings. Veggies, lettuce, spinach, radishes, bush beans, fruits, strawberries, dwarf citrus, blueberries, herbs, basil, thyme, parsley, mint, always in a pot. Flowers, marigolds, nasturtiums, zinnias. Use premium potting mix, not garden soil. Water deeply and often. Group plants with similar needs. Refresh soil mix annually. Use mulch to reduce evaporation. So, are you using containers in your garden? Let me know in the comments what you're growing and how it's going. And if you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to The Wormy Garden and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Until next time, keep growing and stay rooted. Happy gardening.